Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, sir. Thank you so much for being here. And thank you so much for doing this. बड़े सारे सवाल हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले I'd like to invite on stage this brilliant actor, director, producer, music composer, lyricist. Sir, कुछ बच्चा है तो वो भी कर ही लीजिए ना. S.J. Surya साहब. Gentlemen, come on, make some noise. Wow. That's how we do it, ladies and gentlemen.
Ram Charan.
Pele, I would want you to tell us, how does it feel to be here? And thank you so much. And now, as I said, one of the most loved producers, ladies and gentlemen, a stalwart of Indian cinema. He's a visionary producer whose contributions have shaped the landscape of modern cinema, and not just in India, of course, globally इनको बहुत प्यार मिलता है. दिल राजू साहब के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. Of course, the man with the vision, and of course, with all his might, he backs all his projects. Sir, thank you so much for being here. And I know जब sir बोलते हैं ना सब चुप हो जाते हैं. लेकिन first things first, global star नाम का गैप कौन लेता है sir? Why would you do that?
I didn't, but yes. Why don't you ask Shankar sir? I was Namaste everybody. Namaste. Love you guys. For the first time, I'm feeling very alone right now. Can we also invite Anil Thadani?
Of course, sir, of course.
Yeah.
AA Film se we have Mr. Anil Thadani, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for him, please.
How come you forgot it?
Sir, मुझे डांट पड़ती है वहाँ से पहले बुलाने में. Okay, all yours, sir.
So, first time I'm feeling very alone, but also I'm feeling so much welcome. Thanks to all of them here. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, मालूम नहीं यार, मेरे को भी जल्दी करना है movies. मालूम नहीं इतना देर क्यों होता है?
इसलिए होता है क्योंकि जब वो स्क्रीन पे आता है ना सर, सबकी आंखें खुली की खुली रह जाती हैं, सब लोग डूब जाते हैं उसमें.
नितिन आप हैदराबाद आ जाइए मेरे साथ इतना अच्छा बात करते हो, मेरे बीवी भी बहुत इम्प्रेस हो जाते हैं.
Come on, Nitin.
मेरा क्लियर तो मंडिया बाकी देख लो. दिल राजू सर, this one's for you right here at this venue, and you are back. हम सब के साथ ये लेकर. This is game changer, and it's definitely gonna change the game for the Indian cinema, sir.
Namaste to all my media friends. Namaste. And Nitin, whenever I see you, I get jitters. My knees wobble. I feel the stress because we have to outlive the previous film's targets. Please don't do that with me.
I'm not do anything, sir.
But yeah, it feels amazing. And thank you, Mumbai. Thank you, media, for having us and for coming here all the way and taking all this effort to be here. Thank you, sir.
So we have a lot of questions for you. I'm sure बहुत सारे सवालों के जवाब सुनने के लिए everybody is very उत्सुक. हम लोग बहुत excited भी हैं. लेकिन उससे पहले so we have these units that we Shankar sir, because यहाँ पे people are saying Shankar sir and Ram Charan दोनों साथ में आ रहे हैं. बहुत बवाल होने वाला है. What do you have to say on that?
See, Shankar sir made a remake of Three Idiots in South. It's called Nanban. So when they released in Telugu, I was the chief guest for that. I was sitting it's a small story. I just want to share. I was sitting next to Shankar sir, and मैंने ये सोच रहा था कि कैसे बोलूँ Shankar sir, मेरे साथ नहीं, किसी के साथ भी it's okay, but just make it Telugu film. सिर्फ तमिल फिल्म बनाते हो and मेरे डैड के साथ बनाओ या any of my contemporary heroes. But वो बोलने के लिए I didn't have the guts also. And after a couple of years, then I get a call from Mr. Rajgaru saying, Shankar sir, I was doing last or two schedules of RRR. I was working. Then Raju sir comes to Ramoji Film City where I was working. He says, Ram, Mr. Shankar wants to work. I said, huh? Yeah, बाद में बोलेंगे. He said, hello. क्या बाद में बोलेंगे शंकर सर आपके पास प्यारा शंकर सर आएगा. Then I got to know it is really Shankar sir. It's like shit, Raju sir, call right now. So it is such a dream come true for me. We all have been watching his movies growing up. You know, recently Mr. Rajmouli sir also said he's the epitome of commercial films, the larger than life. He has defined what is the global film and global cinema and the pan-India cinema. He was the first pan-India director we had. Hats off to him, and I'm so blessed. And yeah, I don't know how my dad will feel, but yeah, I'm very blessed. He should have done it with dad. So I'm very fortunate, and it's a blessing to work in just 5 years to work with a director like Mr. Rajmouli Garu and then Shankar. As an actor, it is so enriching, and it's so much to learn from both of them.
There's there's no comparison. How do you see this thing? Ki, you were directed by Rajamouli sir and now Shankar sir. What difference hai?
Thank God, difference. Compare.
Not at all, sir. Not at all.
So both of them are taskmasters. Both of them expect a lot from each and every person, and especially having such beautiful actors. He is one of the craziest person and the craziest actors I've met. He is. And he just said he saw the song and he saw Kiara, and मैंने तो producer का ये देखा था उसमें. So I think both Mr. Rajmouli sir and me, Mr. Shankar sir, both are taskmasters. They give you every opportunity perform करने के लिए and to be your best. It is very rare to work with such talent, and they keep pushing you always. And there's not one day where थोड़ा relax होने के लिए time मिलता है. नहीं. Every day, even if it's a single shot. I remember one day I was sitting with Shankar sir saying, "Hi Ram, coffee pe?" Yes, sir. Abhi first day tha. Then he was having a coffee, I was having a coffee, and suddenly he started looking, not at me, at my hair. And he called assistant director. He said, "Idhar aao, wo iPad leke aao." And he's looking at the iPad and this thing. I said, and मेरे को मालूम पड़ गया, he's not talking to me. वो character के साथ बात कर रहा है, राम नंदा. I said, "Idhar aao." Then he started touching me. It's very intimidating when somebody touches you like this. I said, I can't say. He said, कुछ बदला क्या? क्योंकि iPad में जो आपको पिक्चर ने भेजा था वो कैरावन में exactly नहीं था. I said, I swear to God, it is only 5% difference from what he said. But he is so particular and he is so master at his craft. Even that 5%, it doesn't matter. And even if you're Mr. Rajnikant ji or Kamal Haasan ji, he worked with, or myself, doesn't matter. He's so particular. So that's what I enjoyed working with him. And that's something.
Right. Dil Raju sir, this one's milega. And we saw the event. It was mind-blowing. Talk to us about that, sir.
Like Dil Raju sir said already, I think global platform is very important for all of us, like for Indian film. And especially in Dallas, I think it's such an overwhelming response. हमने सोचा भी नहीं था, and it truly tells us how the global audience are the true cinema lovers, and most of our revenue is coming from there, and they truly love cinema for cinema it is, and it's just not for because I am there or Shankar sir there. They love a good film, and to have that response, I'm very blessed, and just like us and our audience as well.
Right. One last question.
ए भाई पीछे रहे भाई
Okay.
1 2 3
3, 2, 1.
ओ कैमरा मैन भाई नीचे कैमरा.
Dave said it. Thank you so much, sir, for being here. Thank you so much.
Please do watch Game Changer.
We can have a quick picture. We have with us.
योगेश भाई सब गया
It's time for a quick photo op with the team.
यार
Thank you.
थैंक यू